What's going on, everybody? It's your boy RNG Crypto here with you for another video, guys. And in this video, I'm doing you a quick day in the life, guys, of me trying to buy some GALA Games tanks, guys, because these tanks, not many people have bought them, right? There are still very many left. There's only 6 hours left, and guys, again, not many people have bought them, and these are like there's not many of these, right? These once the sale is over, all the other ones that have not been sold are gone away. They're not gonna put them back on sale again. So I'm buying the lowest cost one, which is already over $1,000. But I'm gonna buy this. I currently have 5,000 Gala here. I need to buy myself 8,000 more. So I'm gonna go on to first of all CoinGecko, get the addresses here for EDIPAD because that's what I'm gonna use in order to trade. Put that into my MetaMask. It's already there, but I'm just doing it to show you guys. Boom, not my MetaMask, but my Uniswap. And then I'm also gonna get the address for GALA Games, which is already Ethereum. Copy that. Go ahead and copy that. Go into here and also paste that in here. Then it comes up. You click on it. I can't select it because it's already in there. I need 8,000, so this is the swap, guys. What I'm gonna do now is actually go ahead and swap for it. So let's see what happens. More than likely, it's not going to go through because their EDIPAD is a deflationary token. I need to set this. Oh, it's already at 12, so it should be working here. Okay, so it didn't work, so instead I'm going to change EDIPAD into ETH first and then buy with, hopefully the gas fees are not too bad. So let's see what happens here. Gas fees are 72 bucks. Ah, I hate it. I hate it. I hate Ethereum. I'm going to do it anyway because I need this thing. It's only 6 hours left. But Jesus, I cannot stand Ethereum, guys. I cannot get over that. So let's just wait for this transaction to complete. By the way, if you notice, I'm using my tool as well. Look at the gas fees here. It's down at 56, but we're below 60. So this is actually decent pricing for what Ethereum has done in the past, guys. So keep that in mind. Go ahead and use that tool. It's in my latest video about the tools. It has all of the links in the description. Great tool to have. Okay, and the transaction finally went through. Took about 5 minutes. Of course, it's Ethereum. Can't get over the fact how crappy Ethereum and slow Ethereum is. But guys, network effect, what can you say? So now that I have my actual Ethereum, I'm going to go ahead and now use the Ethereum to purchase Gala. So let me go ahead and copy the Gala address, come back to Uniswap, import that in here. And again, I'm going to need 800 or 8,000 of these. Okay, confirm. 55 bucks, that's actually decent. Still expensive, but decent. Compare that to Velas 0.0001. Compare that to BSC, like 5 cents. Compare that to Solana 0.001. 55 freaking dollars. Anyway, guys. Okay, and that transaction is finally confirmed as well. That took also about 5 minutes. So now that I have my Gala in my normal MetaMask wallet, I want to send it over to my Gala chain wallet, guys. So you can, again, you can actually export your Gala chain MetaMask wallet address from your Gala chain account once you've created one. So I've already done that into MetaMask. So here you can see it's imported. You see the little tab next to it. So I'm gonna just go, yeah, whatever, dismiss. I'm going to go ahead and copy this address, then switch back to my main wallet that I typically use. Okay, and then I'm going to find Gala on here. All right, and I'm going to send all of this Gala to my Gala address, max, and go ahead and hit confirm. That's another $17, and we'll wait again. All right, and that transaction also finally completed. It took, again, another 5 minutes, guys. So now that that's done, the Gala that I sent here should be coming up here. So let's go to inventory and see how long it takes. Oh, it's already there, 13,150. So now that I have enough Gala in here to purchase the tank, before I do so, guys, I want to give you guys a shout out. Thank you guys for using my referral link and getting signed up. I've gotten a lot of notifications of people signing up. No one's bought a note yet, but that's okay, guys. Obviously, it's a huge investment. You definitely want to do the research, but guys, when you do, you're not going to regret it. So with that said, guys, let's move forward. So next step is to go back to the store, and the tank that we're going to be buying is this Scorpion tank right here, the common one. And just to give you guys an idea, again, only 6 hours left right now, guys. And this tank face off against the Scorpion, and you might get stung. Own a Scorpion, and you'll be the one doing the stinging. The limited edition tank uses a stinger to shoot blobs of acid that cause heavy damage to enemies, and it looks good doing it, guys. So these kinds of tanks, I have a whale as well, a whale tank that does homing missiles. That nobody can use that gun. Only people that have purchased the whale tank have access to a homing missile. For the same thing here, the stinger weapon on this Scorpion, no one will have access to it unless you bought a Scorpion tank. So these are special weapons, special tanks that are limited edition, and that's why they're always on a timer. There've only been 3 so far. The very first one, the chicken, which I missed because I had issues getting Gala moved. The second one, I got the whale, and this one, I'm getting the Scorpion tank. So guys, these are limited edition NFTs. There are not going to be many out there. Not many people are buying them apparently. So that means that there will be very few on the market once this closes. So when these go on the marketplace and resell, they should resell at premiums, guys. Just keep that in mind, guys. So what I'll do here is go ahead and place this order. I'm going to put this to very fast because I want to make sure it goes through. And then I'm going to put my password. Let me pause. All right, password is in, and I will submit. Never. All right, order is in process, guys. So this thing is going to be one of the NFTs that's coming my way, and looks like it's showing here. Yep, it's pending, guys, and you can see here my Gala distribution last night was 805, and I'm getting town tokens as well, which are the town star tokens that can be monetized as well, guys. So guys, this is it. This is all I wanted to share with you guys. Come and check out this tank. It's only there again for a few more hours, and then they're gonna be gone. No more, nada. So make sure that if you are looking the game in this new Spider Tanks game coming up, uh, get yourself a tank, guys. They're gonna be worth it. They're gonna be worth the investment, guys. That's it. I'm out, guys. Have a good one. Take it easy. Good night. Peace.